American University of Iraq Slimani is a not-for-profit institution that focuses on excellence, relevance, and innovation, and is committed to delivering the highest quality education to its students. Criteria for tuition fees are determined by each student's national exam score and the free AUIS placement exam. Prospects are placed in the appropriate level based on the entrance exam results, and those requiring preparatory classes are referred to the university's redesigned academic preparatory program. Based on their score, students can expect to pay between $1,450 to $2,950 for their course. Most incoming students will not require preparatory courses. Annual tuition fees for undergraduate students vary by national exam score and are organized into three categories. $8,000. Studying at American University of Iraq Slimani is a challenging and rigorous yet rewarding experience. 85% of our alumni are employed or pursue higher education within the first year after graduation, many of them earning back the entire cost of their education within the first 2 years out of school. Join AUIS and learn today, lead tomorrow.